Okay, review tayo for your coming civil service exam. And now, number series naman tayo dahil marami po ganitong lumalabas pagdating po sa exam. 10 to 15 items po per exam ang number series. At tong problem natin na ito ay lumabas daw nung nakaraang March examination. So, sagutan po natin to. So, let's solve this one. What is the next number in the following series? Okay, pag number series, always remember na mayroon at mayroon niyang pattern. It is a sequence of numbers following some patterns. So dito, may 1, 8, 27, blank. So ito yung hinahanap natin at 125. So usually, ang ginagawa ko, pag number series, kinukuha ko yung difference ng una at pangalawang number. Okay, so subukan natin. 1 at 8 is 7. So dito ay iba na. Naging 19 na. So basically, mali po yung pattern na iyan. Okay. So tingnan natin. Pag dito 1 at 8 biglang tumaas, maybe multiplication yan or nag times 2 or nag times 3. Okay. So dito may nakita na akong pattern. So 1, pwede natin yang i-cube equal to 1. Next, 2 cube, okay? So meaning, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. Okay. So nakukuha natin yung pattern, 1 at 8. So subukan natin yung 3. Okay. Dahil 1, 2, 3. 3 cube. So 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. So basically, tama po yung pattern natin. Next, 4 cube. At ito na yung hinahanap natin. Is equal to 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. So ito na po yung sagot natin, letter B, 64. Try natin kung makuha natin yung 125. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cube. Okay. 5 times 5 is 25. Times 5 is 125. So, tama po yung pattern natin. 1, 8, 27, 64 dito, and 125. So, ang sinundan natin, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, and 5 cube. So, ito po yung lumabas sa nakarang exam, and I hope nakuha niyo po to. And yun lamang po, follow for more tips, updates, and tutorials for your coming exam. God bless!